Welcome to Airplanemood's vlog of Toronto neighborhoods. Today we're at the barn, walking all the way to Casa Loma and Witchwood Barns.
Yeah. So
And then afterwards to Yorkville.
or maybe Koreatown. I want to get a bibimbap.
Bibimbap. No more spinning footages, right, Adam?
Yes.
Only straight. Or second splits. Oops. We learned today that we love Nepalese and Tibetan food. And in Tibetan food, there's one dish called momo. We learned today to never say momos because it's already plural.
Yeah. Just say momo. I would like to eat a momo, please. One momo. One plate of momos. Very good.
We're gonna see if our Toronto vlogs are as popular as our travel vlogs because we are from here and we always forget to do vlogs whenever we are here. And guess who's with us? Juju.
This is a neighborhood tour of a neighborhood called Witchwood Park. It's a private neighborhood within Toronto where you pay special fees for security. Yeah, so we're just walking through this neighborhood because we cut the corner, and we can also see like it's a very forested neighborhood, private neighborhood. Super cool.
Very pretty, and today is the perfect weather.
Yeah, it's a super nice neighborhood. Would love to live here one day. It has its own private lake.
And it is cherry blossom season. These are not cherry blossoms, but they're actually prettier and they're pinker than our cherry blossoms in my park. Tennis courts to the right and to the left. They even have a little valley garden to get to all of these homes. I don't want to live here. What about Dubu? Dubu-doo! Look at that huge stick by the dog. And here we have the little water or lake or river beside this neighborhood. Let's see if you can see that. Just look how serene this part of Toronto is. Even for a busy city, this can be found. A little museum can be found here on the walk to Casa Loma. And you can even see there's skyline of the CN Tower on the right. Careful! There's a wood stick that I'm almost just tripped over it. That's a CN Tower. And we have arrived at Casa Loma. From the top of the hill of Casa Loma, you can get a view of the skyline of Toronto. What do you want? This is another angle of the Casa Loma. And this is the front of Casa Loma. Lots of intricate details. This is Toronto's only and best castle. And we're walking up to Casa Loma. With the proud Canadian flag, the Toronto flag over here, and behind there was an Ontario flag, Adam said. From the final angle that you can get a good view without going inside. Next up, we're walking down Spadina from Casa Loma, and we're heading towards Yorkville. We're trying to get there the most interesting way possible. And here we are, leaving Casa Loma behind us. We're walking on Dupont, and there's also lots of shops, just like the Dufferin neighborhood. Beautiful flowers and another nice neighborhood of Toronto. Where are we at, Adam?
Bloor, U of T, Annex.
And now we're walking on Bloor, and there's just always construction almost every single day. So the bicycle lane, there is one, but you really need to be careful because you can be stopped anytime by the construction.
It's constantly happening at every moment in Toronto.
Yeah, and it blocks the bicycle lane is what I'm trying to say.
Drilling noises all the time, so much construction happening.
Yeah, this city is construction nonstop.
Yep.
Skyscrapers nonstop. That's why we don't even like skyscrapers. You know how some people come to North America and they really want to like enjoy the skyscrapers, tall buildings. For us, we prefer Europe. This is the AGO. No, this is the wrong?
Royal Ontario.
Yeah, this is the Royal Ontario. Here, Yonge and Queens. And now, after passing Avenue, you are in Yorkville Lane. Such pretty flowers. So now we're getting into all of the luxury brands on Bloor Street. Yorkville is slightly more this way. But right now we're heading to Aritzia to do an exchange. We just left the Yorkville region and we're super tired. We walked the entire day. And so we're just gonna head back towards Eaton Centre to do an exchange. And then here is College Park. And now we're on Yonge Street. This is the main street and the center street of Toronto.
Exactly.
And there's Zuby. She's been walking the entire day, so she's very tired too.
Yeah.
There's lots of food stands here. Jollibees, Winners. All right, guys, just made it to Parkdale and we're almost at High Park. But look at how beautiful this sunset / cloudy day skyline. Oh, I believe what is Mississauga. Just arrived in this restaurant called Soup Lake because it's raining outside. We just arrived at High Park. Let's see if there's any cherry blossoms. And welcome to High Park. A bunch of trees. Ouch on a Band-Aid. And from High Park, you can get to Lakeshore very easily. Behind me is Lake Ontario. We're on the boardwalk of the Lakeshore District. And here is a full day of walking in Toronto. Coming to an end. You have any final words, Adam?
No.
We're hungry.
Tired.
Dude loves her Starbucks pup cup. A rare occasion treats because she can't have too much. She gets so excited every single time we go to Starbucks.